Welcome to Simple Watch Talks and welcome to today's short video where I will be unboxing the Casio G-Shock GBD-200. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Just sit back and relax while I use my overqualified big knife to open this small box. I just gotta figure it out first before I can do it, but I think we are almost there. Okay, that was not easy to open. Let's check out what's inside the box. We have a user manual, some warranty stuff. We have a wristband from G-Shock and the G-Shock small baggie right there. That's about it. Let's move all that stuff out of the way and get to the main event. So usual Casio G-Shock box with the international user manual here. And there you go, the famous tin. And let me zoom in a little bit. There you go. All right, first thing I see is Bluetooth, so a watch that is connectable to smartphones, which is, I've never had such a watch before. So yeah, let's remove this plastic wrap and see what's inside. All right, there you go. This is the GBD-200. First impressions, the rubber strap feels a little bit different to my Casio G-Shock GW-M5610U. We also have double strap holders here. Oh, actually it's a single one. Okay. Color wise, I kind of like this color. Also, something that pops up is that screen legibility, because you can actually read it from almost any angle. It's a negative display. My experience with negative display G-Shock hasn't been the best so far, but this one is really legible. It is side by side with the GW. I guess this is to trigger the light. Okay, in the very center. Button layout is a little bit different than the GW G-Shock's. Strap is a little bit positioned in a different way. The model number GBD-200-2ER with the module 3506. So this is not gonna be a review video. The review video will drop next week, so definitely subscribe to see that once it drops. First impressions are really good. I can't wait to put this one on my wrist, use it for a few days, and then I'll issue a full review for you guys very soon. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see some reviews of other cool watches in this channel, check out these videos here. We'll see you very soon.